We are going to make a quick journal. This one is a Kangaroo Journal because it will have a pocket in the front and a pocket in the back that you can use. So first, what we're going to do is take one side of a brown paper bag. Yours has already been cut for you, but just in case you want to make another one, you just cut a fully one side of it and leave the skinny sides alone. You don't need those. So what you're going to do is first you're going to fold it up enough so that your paper can fit on it. So however much you fold it, you want to fold it a little bit more than what you want the pocket to be if you can. But you want to leave a little bit of edge for your paper, the journal here. I'm going to push it down. See how I have a little bit of room on the top and on the sides. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to fold this part up just a little bit, maybe about an inch or a little less than an inch. Then I'm going to fold it up so that I have a nice strong edge to my pocket. Then I'm going to make sure that my creases are well done. I'm going to staple my pockets on both sides. You have a stapler in your kit, and I hope you will keep it for future kits or even if you want to make more journals. Because maybe you're going to fill this one right up and you're going to need more. So now the pocket part is done. Now we're going to fold it in half, like this. Then you have paper in your kit. You're going to fold that in half like this. Then you're going to put your paper inside. Look at that. It already looks like a book. And look at this pocket. Whoop. Down. Then you are going to staple down the closed side. Okay, so now here is your book. You can kind of push down on the pages. Look at that, and then you got a pocket here. You can put some things in there and some things in here. And there's lots of ideas for what you could write about in your journal. If you like, you can draw, paint on it, whatever you like. And then you can draw and write. Inside, you could write a whole book. You could write a story. You could write a diary. You could write anything that you want in this book. Just write.